I am Afresh. Today we will be making an embedded system program in which we will be running two LEDs one after another. So I will show you the setup. So I have used Tony, which is an IE for, which is an app for doing MicroPython programming, and MicroPython is supported by Raspberry Pi Pico, which is the microcontroller we use. I will just remove my background. Okay. As you can see here, I have microcontroller, Raspberry Pi Pico, and I have two LEDs. You can see I have two LEDs, and there are many pins in this, which include 3v3G generate pin and output pin and ground pin, and there are many more. We will see it on upcoming videos. I have already put one type of video in Workview Simulator. I will give you the link in description. Please go check it also. But now we will do it. We will be doing it in real life. Let's start with coding. So first we will import libraries. I will be importing from machine library. I will import pin. Import pin, and I will import utime. Now I will derive the values for the LEDs. LED LED is equal to pin pin. So I have connected it in GP0, which means I have to give 0 and pin dot out to let it know that it is an output pin. Okay. And next I will give you another LED value. Well, because if I give the same LED means it will not work properly. First I will show you with one LED then. First I will show you two LEDs. After that I will make it one LED so you can understand it better. LED 2, pin 1. I have connected it to GPIO1, pin dot out. So now I will run the program. While true, I'm gonna make the LED value as 1. LED dot value 1 for 1 second. After that, I will make it sleep utime dot sleep for 1 second. Next, I will on the second LED now, LED 2 dot value is 1 and utime dot sleep 1. So 1 second it took. The LED 2 also will be on for 1 second. Time dot sleep 1. Next, LED dot value is 0 for making it off and on, blinking. Next, after that we will make timer. So we will give utime dot sleep for around 1 second again. And for LED 2 value, I will do the same. LED 2 dot value is 0. Utime dot sleep for 0.5 seconds to make the program run faster. Okay. Now I'll just run the program. I will show it now. Just a minute, I'll just adjust it. Otherwise, let me show it to you like this. As you can see here, there are two LEDs blinking. One is rainbow one and white one. Yeah, I hope you can see it clearly now. Yeah, as you can see, first the rainbow one is blinking, next white one, it gets a pause. After that, it starts again because we gave it as while loop. So now I will show you the values, show you what happens if I give it only one pin. I'll just remove this, or I will just give a hashtag. If you use hashtag means it is known as comment, which is used for making a certain lines not run. Okay, now let's see what happens. As you can see here, only the rainbow LED is blinking because of the power shortage. So that first the electricity will pass through the rainbow one, which makes it blink, and there is no electricity left to pass through the white one, which makes only the rainbow one blink. So today we have learned about what is microcontrollers and Raspberry Pi, Raspberry Pi Pico, and how will we do blinking LEDs with two LED. Thank you. And by the way, check out my YouTube channel, and if you have any queries or any feedbacks, let me know in the comments, and like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.